Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a nice Harley Davidson XL 1200C. It's the 1200 Sportster Custom, 1200cc air-cooled V-twin. It's a 2014 model. Got a 5-speed transmission. Upgraded foot pegs here. It's got the wide pegs, mid-mount controls, factory exhausts. Has had a detachable windshield added to it. The Fat Tire Sportster. Aluminum spoke mag wheels, all the hardware and lower fork legs look good up here on the front. Set up for 2-up riding. Also got a nice set of Harley Davidson bags on it. Lockable and removable, I think. Let's see. Well, no, those are bolted on. Child-proof, I think. Got detachable or docking hardware here for a backrest and luggage rack. There's little coilover shocks down there, but I can't tell if that's the factory shocks. I think maybe it is. Bike's in nice shape. Pretty low miles, 5,085 miles. Upgraded hand grips. The factory exhaust lets it run pretty quiet. We ran it through our service department, checked it out, and it's ready to go. Got a full parts department too. If you wanted to change out some mufflers or change the exhaust and get a little volume, we can take care of that for you as well. Scoop. A little bit dusty out here today. I didn't see anything that jumped out at me I need to point out to you. Check this front fender. A lot of times you get little rock pecks or something up here on the front of the fender. This one looks pretty good. Front of the tank. That might be one right there. Little white spot. It looks like it's just a little dull spot right in there too. Can't see it unless you get right up on it and look for it. That fender looks good. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can see our complete inventory online at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino, Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.